lot of clients come into our retail stores that would tell us so many of their problems and tell us things that they have gone through, and we realized that that wasn't the safe space for them to share their stories or to come to their healing process. I teach Yoni, Mudra, and Womb Yoga. That class is designed for women that are experiencing